welcome to my new video. You are watching Shwet's editing and I am Shwet over here. In this video I am gonna show you how to edit double exposure on any photos. For this editing we're gonna first go to Picsart tab. After opening Picsart tab, click to the plus icon, then click to canvas. I'm gonna use this canvas. Rotate it and click to the right arrow. From here click to the left arrow icon and select edit image. Then click to add photo. I choose this photo for my background. Adjust it with the background. Then click to opacity. The opacity will be low. It will be 33. Then click to FX. Choose blur option and click to blur. Blur will be 35. It's okay for me. Then click to the save icon and click to add photo again. Here I use this photo as my model. You can use your own photos or someone as you want. I will be cut out this picture. So go to cut tool and crop it.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
After that click to save option.
Now I wanna burn all the
After that
bridges between
I will go to adjustment and brightness will be low. Contrast will be plus 40. Then click to the tick option. Then click to OK option. Then click to add photo again. I will this image for double exposure. Adjust with the picture. Then click to blend mode. Then select screen. Then click to the erase option. Then erase the existing area.
Hey, if you still do not subscribe my channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon for more updates, and also share with your friends on social media. Please give me a like, comment.
Then click to the right option. Then select OK. Then go to add photo. And click here. You can go to blend mode. Select screen. Go to erase option. Then click to OK option. then go to FX, click to FX, to cinema, then fade will be place. Then click to OK option and save the image.